Hi there everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video tutorial guys, I will teach you on how to write a program that will divide and compute the product of the two given number 105 using C++ programming language. Before we continue, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. I will put a link in the video description where you can download the complete source code of our tutorial video for today. So we have here shall include a string for input output using namespace std. Int main, it is the starting point of every C++ program begin, and then I have four variables a and b. Variable a has 100, b has 5. So int divide and product as assignment statement. So divide equals a slash b to divide the value of 105, and product a multiply b. And then we have here new line, and then the quotient will display the divide value and then the product, and then we close the main function. As I said earlier, I will put a link in the video description where you can download the complete source code of our tutorial video for today for free on my two websites. Let us go to execute, compile and run. Okay, so we have here the output. The quotient is 20, the product is 500. Okay guys, so this is the end of our tutorial video on divide and product of two numbers in C++ programming language. Thank you so much guys for watching. I hope that you have learned something new in this tutorial video. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys if you are new by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.